Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and in this video we're going to make the game look a little nicer because it's a little bit boring looking right now because we don't have anything happening on the background. So let's add something there. First, we want to go to the resources folder. And here we have these clouds and waves waiting for us. So let's right click and create a new material. Let's call this first one wave 1 matte, like that. Let's open it. And what we want to do here is we want to get a texture sample. So we are getting our texture. And it will be the wave 1. Now we want to connect the RGB to the emissive color and alpha to actually we will have to click from here, and we want to change this blend mode to masked. Now we can use the opacity mask. Now we want to connect alpha to opacity mask like that. So let's save so we can see it. Actually we can still see it, but okay. Now what we want to do, we want to add a panner to this UV. So let's search for a panner. Panner is what makes the texture move. And we can make it move on the x-axis. So 0.4 on the x. Okay, and to the coordinate, let's add a texture coordinate. And we don't have to add anything to here. So now let's save. Let's close this. Now what we want to do, we want to duplicate this. And we want to call it wave 2 underscore matte. Let's open it. And here, what we want to do, we want to set the speed to 0.25. Okay, and this texture to wave 2. Let's save. Let's close. Let's duplicate it once more. Let's call it wave 3 matte. Let's open it. Let's change the speed to 0.1. Okay, and texture to wave 3. The reason why we changed these values or the speed values is because the wave 1 is the one closest to us or closest to camera, so we want it to be faster than the ones behind, so it will look like, I will show you soon. Okay, now let's save. Let's close this, and actually let's duplicate it once more, and now we want to call it clouds matte. And let's open it. Let's leave the speed to 0.1. Let's change the texture to clouds. Let's save. Let's close. Now let's go to the blueprints and to the background. Let's go to the viewport. And here on the viewport, what we want to do, we want to click on the default scene root, and we want to actually duplicate the background. Let's call this wave 1. And let's change this material to wave 1. Okay. Now what we want to do, we want to set this Y location to 15. Okay, now you can see something is happening. Now let's duplicate this once more. It will already call wave 2. Let's set the Y location to 10 and material to wave 2. As you can see, we have 2 waves. Let's duplicate once more. The location Y to 5 and wave 3 material. Okay. And let's duplicate it once more. Let's call it clouds. And now for the clouds, what we want to do is we want to set the X scale to 150, Y scale to 0.01, and Z can be 65. Now let's change the material to clouds. And let's actually set the set location to 500. And yeah. Okay. Now let's compile. Let's save all. And when we go to play, you can see we have something happening on the background. Okay, my computer is lagging super much, but yeah. And now you can see the first wave is moving super fast, and second is a little bit slower, and the third one is even slower. But for some reason my computer is glitching and all these textures are looking like super like they are not looking good. I will try to fix that. Okay, I just had to restart the Unreal, but yeah, it started working. As you can see, everything is working pretty nicely. And the reason why we set the wave Y values this way, I will show you. Like the first one is 15, second one is 10, and third one is 5, is because we want them to be aligned like this here. And also now you can see the pipes are set to where they are on the GM Flappy spawn pipe. Our Y location on the pipe spawn location is set to 12. Okay, and 12 is between these two waves. And as you can see, when the pipes come, they will come between the waves. It looks super nice. And also, when we die, we will fall under the first wave, so, like that. So yeah, I think that looks super nice. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe for more. That will help me a lot. And yeah, thank you for watching and hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.